How to reset all settings and erase all content on Blackmagic Camera application. And okay guys, here on your mobile phone, go to Blackmagic Cam application. And Blackmagic Cam homepage, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen, tap settings. In settings, scroll down and below, here in reset section, you can see the reset Blackmagic Cam settings. Okay, you'll have to do stop this. And now you can see here the reset all settings and erase all content. Okay, you'll have to do stop this. And the up below our show. So reset all settings. This will revert all camera and cloud settings to default and erase all clip, preset, and LUTs stored on this iPhone. This cannot be undone. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the reset button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully reset all settings and erase all content on Blackmagic Camera application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.